Yeah. Now we will see exercise 1.2. Here what we are going to see is, we are going to write the truth values. As I told you, what are called truth values? In any statement in logic, it may be either true or false. The true and false are called truth values. Now, here are given some examples to understand how to find out the truth values of a given statement in logic. Okay, now first example, write the truth values. First sum, root 3 is a rational number or 3 plus I is a complex number. Okay. Now, there are two statements here. So, first of all, we will name them as P and Q. Let P root 3 is a rational number. Let Q 3 plus I is a complex number. Now, root 3 is a rational number or irrational number? It is given rational number. Yes. So, it is false actually. So, now here we will write like this, P and Q. Here what is given? R is given. So, which one it is? See, symbolic form of given statement is P or Q. P or Q. Okay. Now, truth value of P is, it is what? Is it a root 3 is a rational number? It is a false statement. Truth value of Q is whether it is a complex number. Yes, it is a complex number. Complex number means it is of the form A plus IB. A plus IP. Anywhere you see the number which is of the form A plus IB, then we call it as complex number. So, it is a complex number. So, it is true. Okay. Now, truth, therefore, now you see you got the truth value of P, you got the truth value of Q. Now, we have to find out the truth value of P or Q. Truth value of P or Q is, what is that? P, F or T. If one is true, then it is true. This is the first sum. Now, we will do 2-3 sums more, you will understand better. Now, see here, third sum. 2 plus 3 is not equal to 5 or 2 into 3 is less than 5. Now, you see this is one statement, logical statement, it is another statement in the logic. But what is the operator here? OR. So, let P is what? First statement. 2 plus 3 is not equal to 5. Q. 2 into 3 is less than 5. Okay. Therefore, we have to write symbolic form. Symbolic form of the given statement is P. What is the connectives here? R. P or Q. Now, truth value of P is, see, 2 plus 3 is not equal to 5 they have written. But what is that actually? It is equal to 5. So, truth value is false. Next, truth value of Q is 2 3s are 6, but they are telling 6 is less than 5. Is it right? No, it is false. Therefore, truth value of P or Q is, what is P? F or F. If both are false, disjunction, then only false. Now one more we will do. This is also very interesting sum. 9 is a perfect square, but 11 is a prime number. But means what? It is as good as and only. Now solution. Let P 9 is a perfect square. Another statement Q. 11 is a prime number. Therefore, symbolic form of the given statement is P, but mean as I told you and. Yes. Now, what is the truth value of P? Yes. 9 is a perfect square. Is it right? Yes, it is. So, is true. Similarly, truth value of Q is also true because 11 is a prime number. Therefore, truth value of P and Q is, see, what is the truth value of P? T and T. Then only it is T. It's very interesting. Now we will go to another concept that is called negation. Negation. Negation means negative. Negation means what? Negative. See, suppose if P is a statement, then what is negation of P? Negation of P is denoted by negation P. That's all. Negation means not, or we say it means not P. Negation means what? It is negative. We should say in a negative way. That is not P. Now you see that. Example. P1 statement is given. 10 is an even number. What is negation of P? We have to say not. 10 is not an even number. Number 2, Q statement. 3 is an odd number. So what is negation of Q? Tell me. 3 is not an odd number. 3 is not an odd number. That's all. Now we will see the truth table. Truth table for negation. See, earlier we have seen the truth table for conjunction and disjunction. Now we are going to see for negation. See, suppose one statement is given, negation. See if the statement is true, what is the negation? False. If the statement is false, then what is the negation? True. That's all. Now we will see exercise 1.3. Okay. Write the negation of the following statement. Write the negation of the following statements. 1. Rome is in Italy. Rome is a city which is in Italy. So what is the negation? Rome is not in Italy. Rome is not in Italy. Now second one. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So what is the statement is given? 5 plus 5 equal to 10. You tell what is the negation? It is not equal to 10. So 5 plus 5 not equal to 10. Now third one. 0 is not a complex number. Zero is not a complex number. What is the negation? 0 is a complex number. That's all. 0 is a complex number. That's all. Now, conditional statement. See, if two statements are combined by the connectives if and then, it is called conditional statements. For example, listen. If it is Sunday, then holiday. Followed or not? See, it is one statement, it is another statement. But how they are connected? They are connected with two connectives, if and then. If it is Sunday, then it is a holiday. Now another one I will tell you. Okay, now listen very carefully. If he gets 40%, then he will pass. If he gets 40%, then only he will pass. Okay, this is a conditional statement or implication. Means if something happens, then something happens. If something happens, then something happened. Like that it is there. Okay. So it is also very, very important. It is called conditional statement. So what will be the truth value? That we will write. Truth value of conditional statement. It is one side arrow. Okay. Now, P, Q, P goes to Q. Now you tell me how many statements we have taken? Two statements. One is P, another is Q. So this statement may be true, this may be also true. So true, like that we are writing. See, if you have got two statements, what are the possibilities? First statement may be true, second also may be true. Another possibility, first is true, second is false. Third is first is false, second is true. Fourth is both may be false. Okay, these are the four possibilities. Now, if and then statement means if true goes to false, then only false, otherwise true. If true goes to false, then only false. Otherwise, true. What I said, if true goes to false, the second case, then only false, otherwise true only. Okay. Now we will see some examples we will see. Okay. See, example, a family becomes literate if women in it are literate. Women in it are literate. That means what? If women in the family are literate, padhai likha to, then we say family is literate. So this is first statement. First statement. It is second statement. Okay. So let P means what? The woman in the family or literate. What is Q? Then the family becomes literate. So first statement is what? P. If women are literate, then the family becomes literate. If then. Therefore, symbolic form of this statement is P goes to Q, or we say if P then Q. Next one. So another concept. So we have seen conjunction, disjunction, negation, conditional. Now we say biconditional. See here, if women are literate, then the family is literate. So that is 5 if and then. Now if and only if, both the side it should tally. Okay. Biconditional. For example, I tell you, if compound statements are formed by using the connectives if and only if, then it is called biconditional. or we say double implication. So example, let P, Hari is rich. Q, Hari owns a car. Now this example you see, Hari is rich. That means what? He can purchase a car. If he owns a car, that means what? Hari is rich. See, therefore, here by conditional is P by conditional Q. That means what? Hari is rich. Therefore, Hari is rich if and only if he owns a car. I tell you, don't confuse yourself. Hari is rich means he can own a car. We has got a car means he is rich. This is by conditional. Now the table also we will make it. Truth table for by conditional. Same thing, you will take two statements, true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Now here you see, if both are same then true. Means what? If both are same, true, 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 false, false, true, remaining are false. If both the truth values are same, then true. If both truth values are same, then true. Otherwise false. See, if both the truth values of the both statements are same, it may be true, true or false, false, then also the value will become true. So now we will do exercises, then we will be understanding better about all these concepts. Okay. Now exercise 1.4. Express the following in symbolic form. Okay. First sum. I like playing but not singing. See, that means there are two statements here. So let P, I like playing. What is the other activities? One activity is playing, another activity is singing. Q, I like singing. Okay. Now you see, I like playing. Okay, I like playing. P. But not. But means what? But. Singing means Q. Not singing means negation. Therefore, symbolic form of the given statement is P. This is P. This is and not singing, negation of Q. Now next one. Anand neither likes cricket nor tennis. That means here there are two games. Let P. Anand likes cricket. Q. Anand likes tennis. These are the two it should be the statement. Okay. There are two statements. Anand likes cricket, Anand likes tennis. Now, see, Anand neither like, that means Anand does not like cricket. That means what? Negation of P. Anand neither, not. So, see, it is both. That means and, negation of Q. Therefore, symbolic form of the given statement is, see here, neither likes, that means not liking cricket, so negation of P. Also, and, also means what? And, so not NA, so negation of Q. Now next one. Fifth sum. Either 25 is a perfect square or 41 is divisible by 7. So there are two statements. 25 is a perfect square, 41 is divisible by 7. Let P 25 is a perfect square. Q 41 is divisible by 7. Now here what is given? R. Therefore, symbolic form of this given statement is, see, 25 is a perfect square, so P, or 41 is divisible by 7. We are not asked to find out the truth value, only you have to write the symbolic form of the given sentence. Now, one more sum we will do, this is important. Even though it is cloudy, it is not cloudy, it is not cloudy, it is still raining. Now, normally what should be the statement? It is cloudy, it is raining. Okay, it is cloudy, it is raining. So, we will see, let P, it is cloudy. Q, it is raining. But here what is written? It is not cloudy. So, negation of P, even though it is not cloudy, it is raining. So, and it is Q. Therefore, see here, this is very important. Even though it is not cloudy, It is raining and it is. Symbolic form of given statement is negation P and Q. Now, another one we will see. We have to find out the truth value. Okay. Find the truth values. Values. 1. Neither 21 is a prime number nor it is divisible by 3. See here, you very clearly see that what it should be, 21 is a prime number. One statement. What should be the second statement? 21 is a prime number, not 21 is a prime number nor, it is nor, okay. Nor means and, nor means what? And. It is, so 21 is divisible by 3, okay. Now first of all we will write the symbolic statement. Symbolic statement, symbolic form is 21 is a prime number, they have written, okay. So P, this is P. It is Q. So P, nor it is written, nor means what? And. Okay. Now, see here 21 is a prime number. Neither 21 is a prime number. They are telling 21 is not a prime number. So not. Nor it is divisible by, it is not divisible by 3 also. So it is like that. So what is given is 21 is not a prime number they are given. So negation of P. But what we have taken? 21 is a prime number. So negation P and negation Q. Now truth value. Truth value of P. 21 is a prime number. Is it a prime number? No. So what is the truth value? False. Okay. Now, what is the truth value of Q? Whether 21 is divisible by 3? Yes, 7 3s are 21. So it is true. Now what you have to find out? Truth value of negation P and negation Q is negation of, see, negation. What is P? Truth value F. And negation of, what is the true value? T. Negation of F means what? True. And negation of true means false. But if, see, it is that like this AND operator, so it is false. Okay, the rest of the things we will see in the next class, then we will understand better. Okay. Followed or not? See, we have taken 21 is a prime number, 21 is divisible by 3. But here both are not. See, neither it is a prime number and they are telling it is not divisible by 3. Nor means not. So, you have taken P and then Q. Symbolic form is negation of P and negation of Q. But what is the truth value of this? It is false. It is true. So, what is negation of false? It is true. Negation of true, it is false. But what is the truth table says? T and F is F. That's all. Okay? Right.